Meaning of diversionary.
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 Diversionary. The term diversionary refers to something that is intended to redirect the attention of someone or something away from a particular topic or issue. This can be done intentionally to distract or shift focus away from something else. The result of a diversionary tactic can vary, depending on the situation and the intention behind it. It may successfully shift attention away from an unfavorable topic or draw attention to a different, potentially more positive one. However, it can also be seen as manipulative and dishonest if used inappropriately.